Look, Yogi. Yeah. Oops.
I forgot that every single slime is attached to it. Hello everyone and welcome to Burke Bunch TV. Today we will be doing slime wars. We will, so each of us will make a slime, me and the dad, and then the mom will come and judge us.
Winner of the best slime wins, because the mom's not going to know. It's going to be mystery. She has to reach her hand and feel, and then she can judge color, texture, coolness, and we'll see who's got the best one. So unless you've lived under a rock or you don't know kids, slime is the big thing this year. So you need a big bowl.
I'm going to do the clear glue.
Ooh.
See, I have no idea what I'm doing, so just watch and learn, people.
Ooh.
I'm going to make a big batch.
Ooh. So to make this work, we're using borax, nature's natural cleaner, and also natural slime maker.
Don't touch my slime. We have a half cup of water and then we're gonna mix it with half a teaspoon of borax.
Half a cup of glue. Half teaspoon. Now stir it up. Ooh. All right, that's good. All right, start stirring. Ew. Keep going.
There's way too much water in the
So Yogi's first slime. Squish it up.
Oh.
We'll add a little extra.
Yes. Go, go, go.
Well, no, we can't add too much or it's going to ruin it. Squish it hard and then push it back in the water. What is that? That's the weirdest looking slime.
It's beautiful.
It's like a ball of gold or something.
This is really bad slime.
It's really bad. Okay.
No. Right now, I'm going to be going freestyle on my slime. Dump the glue in. It's a whole bottle of glue. Second bottle of glue.
Oh, he's going big. Go big or go home.
3?
Yeah, let's go big.
Woo! Here.
Okay, Yogi's freestyling with some Barbasol shaving cream.
Fluffy. I'm gonna make it super, super
Or it
fluffy.
might ruin the actual effect, but that's what freestyling is all about. Oh wow.
Look at that.
Looks like whipped cream. Okay, a little bit more maybe.
No, this is
Master
looking very
Yogi.
good. Okay, look
Yogi's
at this.
freestyle can be a little dangerous.
Oh wait, I didn't put food coloring in. 1, 2.
That's up. Oh, it looks really cool. Yeah, actually break it right up.
I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Just to make it a little like,
Okay.
it's sticking together. Slow rising. This one's the yellow goldish cakey one. This is the pinkish brainy one.
So, you think I can beat you?
Nope.
Wow, confidence. Okay, now it's the dad's turn. I've got the bottle of glue because Yogi used up all the other glue. I've already mixed my borax, so it's ready to go. Lots of shaving cream.
That much? Okay, this is not it.
Need more. It's not enough.
Oh,
Okay.
this is...
It's gonna be, hey, I'm freestyling it a little bit, okay? Here we go, Yogi. Check it out.
Okay, so...
A whole cup of it. Go. I feel the Slime Wars Championship ring on my finger. I can feel it right now. Now I get to mix it. Mix it up. Food coloring. Alright, it's like baby food. Now for my secret ingredient. You ready for it, Yogi? Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
That's right, mix volcanoes out of vinegar. It should be really good here. So this is the most delicate part of all. There we go. Oh, yeah.
That's just nasty.
It's, what? You're a slime hater. My first slime is officially done. All right, this is my second. Now we're gonna put in some body lotion. Make it super slippery. Now we're gonna add a little bit of food coloring. Ooh, that looks really cool. We're gonna add some of my little friends, the beads. We're gonna add a lot of them. Treat the whole pack. Give it a good stir, and then add in my activator. So I think I might have blown this one because it's not activating. I think I put too much hand lotion in. Okay, well, it finally activated. This is an utter fail. Okay, so the slime wars are over and the judge has arrived. She's going to check them for 2 categories, the coolest looking and the coolest feeling. 7 different ones, 3 by Yogi, 3 by the dad, and 1 by directions.
Oh, yes.
She's going with that one.
This is like a soft stress ball. Yeah, which is nice. Really wet. Really wet. Ooh, like
So bouncy.
I bet there's shaving cream in this one. It feels very...
Yeah, that's a fluffy slime. Okay, so this is the yellow one.
No, it's not amber.
I'd say this one's better than the green one.
It's kind of addictive, isn't it?
It is.
My favorite.
Well, this is kind of cool looking. I like the kind of...
Streaky.
Yeah.
This one seemed to get better sitting in the bag. Look at that. It rips, but still stretches if you go slow.
Oh, yeah, that one's really good. Oh my gosh.
Woo.
So far, best to worst so far. This one here.
Undecided.
Yeah, I mean, it looks cool, but you can't really squish it. This is a huge one.
Yeah, did you use the rest of the glue, Daddy?
No.
Seriously, that's like the biggest batch. That's really.
I don't like the bubbles. This one's so smooth.
It does look perfectly smooth.
And then this is like, so for look,
Whoa.
it's the yellow one.
What?
All right. What about for texture?
Yeah, this one.
That one is.
Yes.
That one, I think, is the best stretcher of all.
Yeah.
Actually, Yogi's, yours turned out really good.
This is your skin as it gets old, as you age.
Can I see this?
Bouncy and stretchy and soft and smooth.
And get rid of those. This is the one from the directions. So we followed the directions, and
This
this came in
one's a
second.
freestyle.
And that was Yogi's freestyle. This was my freestyle. Kind of overdid it on the Barbasol. There you go, folks. Yogi, how does it feel to be champion?
It feels good because you lost.
You even beat the class one. This is the directions one. And
With a freestyle.
he beats it with a freestyle. And my freestyle was a little bit too...
Bad.
It was, well, no, it's good. It's just a little bit too, I don't know, fuzzy. Hope you've enjoyed Slime Wars.
Rope with this thing.
Yogi's having fun over there with his slime. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, on Burke Bunch TV. And you know, if you have great ideas for videos for us, put them in the comments because...
We should do a contest for the longest one stretched
Oh
out.
my goodness.
It's sinking slow.
Slowly sinking. Slowly stinking.